Coffee. Oh, my coffee. In the morning's gentle light, a brew of darkness rich and bright. Its aroma dances in the air, awakening senses everywhere. A sip of warmth, a taste divine, a symphony of flavors so refined. Bittersweet notes upon the tongue, like poetry in every lung. This is a small poetry about the coffee that we love to sip every morning. Okay, now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to producing coffee powder. The first step, harvesting. Coffee beans are harvested from coffee plants. Depending on the type of coffee, harvesting can be done by hand-picking ripe cherries or by strip picking, where all cherries are harvested at once. Second step, the processing. There are two primary methods for processing coffee beans, the dry method and the wet method. Dry method or natural method. In this method, ripe cherries are spread out in the sun to dry on raised beds or patios. The cherries are turned regularly to ensure even drying. Once dried, the outer layers of the cherries are removed to reveal the green coffee beans inside. Wet method or washed method. In this method, ripe cherries are pulped to remove the outer skin and fruit. The beans are then fermented in water to remove the mucilage layer. After fermentation, the beans are washed and then dried either in the sun or using mechanical dryers. The third step, milling. Once the beans are dried, they go through a milling process to remove the parchment layer which covers the beans. This can be done using hulling machinery. The fourth step, grading and sorting. After milling, the coffee beans are sorted by size and weight using sieves and screens. This ensures uniformity in the final product. The fifth step, roasting. The sorted beans are roasted to bring out the flavor and aroma of the coffee. The roasting process involves heating the beans at high temperatures, which causes chemical changes that result in the characteristic flavor profile of the coffee. The roasting times and temperatures vary depending on the desired roast level, such as light, medium, or dark. The sixth step, cooling. After roasting, the beans are cooled rapidly to stop the roasting process and prevent over-roasting. This can be done using air cooling or water quenching methods. The seventh step, grinding. The roasted beans are then ground into a fine powder using coffee grinders. The grind size can vary depending on the brewing method, example espresso, drip, and French press. The last and the final step, packaging. Finally, the ground coffee powder is packaged into airtight containers to preserve freshness and flavor. Labels are applied indicating the type of coffee, roast level, and any other relevant information. Thanks for joining me on this journey from bean to cup. I hope you now have a deeper appreciation for the hard work and dedication that goes into producing high-quality coffee. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy brewing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.